Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency, but before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, same as usual, we want talking about cryptocurrency and I want share to you about Unilever. Ben and Jerry's legal battle with Unilever sheds light on an issue affecting a growing number of purpose-led brands. How to maintain their identity after being bought by a major customer company. Multinational customer groups have raced to snap up socially conscious brands in recent years, seeking to tap into a surge in demand among customers for ethical products, usually sold at a premium under Chief Executive Alan Job. Unilever has added to a portfolio of purposeful brands from Paula's Coast skincare products that son, animal testing to Stanley made supplements from Smarty Pants and Nordfall. In 2000, the company scoped up Ben and Jerry's for $326 million, with usually caveat. The Vermont-based ice cream maker would retain its independent board of directors, possible for gaining its social and political identity. The maker of Kansi Monkey and Cherry Garcia ice cream sued its parent company on July 5 to try to stop the sale. A ruling is expected in the coming weeks. It's a wake-up call for the folks who do deals to be more vigilant and ensure not only the financial support a deal but the underlying potential future conflicts are free and clear, said Mark Consent, a professor at Columbia University Business School. Ben and Jerry's, now worth over 1 billion euros or $1 billion, says the Israel sell-in against its value by allowing its product to remain available in bank. The ice cream brand should have been aware that Unilever might see fit to put the Ben and Jerry's brand anywhere and everywhere in the world. Cohen said. On the other hand, Unilever should have understood Ben and Jerry's founders have taken a political stance on a variety of issues. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, maybe just this. Thank you very much. See you.